In this video, we will learn how to resolve auto key pressing in your computer or laptop keyboard. For example, if you just click K one times, it will keep on pressing K, or if you press any other word like L, it will keep on pressing L. This is an issue in your keyboard and it needs to be resolved. So let's start. Before starting, you must know that there could be two type of issues. First is your laptop keyboard is damaged and other is a software issue. In this video, we will discuss software issue, how you can resolve it via software. And if your keyboard is physically damaged, like there are lock in between buttons and your computer motherboard. If one of the specific lock is broken or it's auto pressed, then it will keep on pressing. In this case, your laptop keyboard needs to be replaced. But if there is a software issue, then what you have to do is you have to go to device manager of your laptop. Okay. In device manager, what you have to do is you have to go to the keyboards, and then you will find the keyboard. Like in my computer, it is standard 101 or 102 key or Microsoft Digital PS2 keyboard for HP or keyboard. Search it for update, because in sometimes you have disabled window updates. Keyboards drivers are not auto installed, then it causes issues like auto typing or some missing keys. Then you have to search automatically for drivers. As my keyboard is working good, it says that the best driver for your device are already installed, so it's working good. And if I press it, if I go to computer and if I press it only one K, it's just pressing K. And if I only one press L, then okay. This is the one way to resolve the keyboard problem software wise. And if it's physically damaged, then your keyboard needs to be replaced. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. I will answer.